Hi, this is Mike with City Service Paving. I'm out here at a project today and we are slurry sealing the roads. Now, slurry seal is a different process than seal coating, so I wanted to show you what it's all about. So let's go outside of my truck and see what the crews are up to. Now you can see here they're putting the material down and squeegeeing it around. And what's nice about the slurry seal, it's thicker than seal coat. And it's a one-coat application process. And you can see the thickness of the material. And it comes out the truck right there, and they spread it all the way down the road. And we have traffic control set up, so there's one-way traffic and a flagger at each end. As you can see, it's a very detailed process. So they've already put material down here in this intersection, and now they're going to start on the street. And they'll go all the way down that road right there and around the corner. It's about a half a mile. Now these trucks are different than slurry seal, or I'm sorry, than seal coat. You can see the rock on the top that is in the mix. See that pile right there on the top. So they dump a pile here to trim the edge when they have like a cement transition to asphalt. They want to be careful they don't get it all over. Once they get it trimmed out, then they can go along the road at a good steady pace. Now, since we have these intersections with concrete in the center of the road, they have to put plastic down to go over it, and then they trim the edges. Very neat process. Now they just back up and go from the point they started, and they're going to make a pass on the other side. It's a fairly quick process. Now here they go on the next pass. You can see how quickly they put the material down. And they just keep rolling along. So this is what it looks like when it's all done. It's nice and black, very uniform in color. And you can see we did the entire road here. We did actually all the roads in the community. And as you can see, as you get closer, you can see the aggregates in the slurry seal. And this is a type 2 slurry seal. There's 3 different types, type 1, type 2, type 3, and it depends on the size of the rock. Type 1 being smaller rock, type 3 being larger rock. So the next time you see this road, I will show it to you when it's all been striped. And here's the finished product after the striping has been completed. We've got the slurry seal product down and the striping done. This looks awesome. Had 0 complaints. Homeowners are really happy with the entire look of the property, and this will last them a good 5 to 7 years, if not longer, before we have to do something like this again. So another great project by City Service Paving. So there you have it. You got to see the Slurry Seal project from start to finish, including the striping. So if you have any questions about Slurry Seal, Sealcoat, asphalt work, concrete work, please reach out to me. Mike Bowbeer, City Service Paving, 510-754-5198. That's my cell. And thanks for watching.